Understanding the phrase, in the boat. A guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, in the boat. This phrase is not just about being literally inside a boat. It's a versatile expression used in various contexts in English. Let's explore its meanings and how you can use it in everyday conversations. In the boat literally means being physically inside or on a boat. This is straightforward, but the phrase is often used metaphorically. Here, we'll look at some examples of its literal use. We spent the afternoon in the boat, fishing. She was in the boat, rowing across the lake. In English, in the boat can also mean being in a particular situation or condition, especially one that involves a shared experience or challenge. It implies a sense of camaraderie or being in the same situation as others. When it comes to dealing with tight deadlines, we are all in the same boat. He's in the same boat as many others who lost their jobs. Sometimes, in the boat appears in idiomatic expressions. These are phrases where the meaning isn't directly related to the words themselves. Understanding these can really boost your conversational skills. Miss the boat, to lose an opportunity. Rock the boat, to cause trouble in a stable situation. Here, we'll see how to incorporate in the boat in everyday conversations. Pay attention to the context and the way the phrase changes its meaning slightly based on the situation. In a business meeting, if our competitor launches their product first, we'll all be in the same boat. In personal discussions, I understand your struggle. I'm in the same boat with my studies. We hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, in the boat, and its various uses in English. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your language skills and make your conversations more fluent and natural. Keep practicing, and you'll be navigating the waters of English language like a pro. See you in our next video.